Everybody dance. Doo-doo, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody dance. Doo-doo, clap your hands, clap your hands.
Hello, line dancers. I am so excited to walk you through this dance. It's called Everybody Dance. It's a special dance that it was choreographed by Ben and Sascha Wolf, Ben Murphy and Sascha Wolf from Denmark, as a new dance that is going to be done for the 2026 Flash Mob that we do internationally all over the world as we all dance together. This dance is special because this dance is for the charity part of the Flash Mob in support of the Line Dance Foundation. So it is a lovely beginner dance, 32 counts, 4 walls. I'm going to show you how it goes. Has one little tag, step touch at the end of wall 9. Don't worry too much about it. Let's do the whole dance first. Remember, I will just get you to the walkthrough at the beginning, as this is a beginner dance, means that you are learning your line dancing right now. So I'm going to be very slow and nice and gentle to show you some of the steps. Then we put them all together. Then we add some numbers and counts so we can actually follow the musicality of it. And then when we are ready, we put music. So here it goes. First thing we want to start is with that simple hustle walk. We're going to go forward. So we're going to do 4 steps forward, starting with your right foot. That is step, 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 step. You want to do 4 steps forward. As you do that last step, you want to open a little bit as you're going to do 4 kind of hip bumps. Side, 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 side. If you don't want to do hip bumps, you can modify it for knee bends, which is the same idea. Knee, 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 knee. As you bend the knees, the hips are doing their job. All right. We're going to go step touch back as we actually do a step touch. Together, we clap. Step back with the left, together we clap. Step back with the right, together we clap, and step, and we clap. That was your section 2. We're going to continue. We are going to do 2 toe points into your right. So right goes in and out twice, followed by a grapevine, open right, behind with the left, open right, touch with the left, light, tiny touch, okay? You're going to move again into 2 toes with the left. Don't go into a grapevine yet. You're going to do it 2 toes, come in, goes out again, comes in. Now we're going to do a grapevine as we do a quarter turn to the left shoulder. That will be open with the left, behind, you turn, and you touch. There, we are now on this wall to start the dance all over again. All right, here it is. Let's start from the beginning. Now we put them all together. 5, 6, 7, walk forward. 1, 2, 3, and hips go side, side, side. Step touch back with a clap for 1, step back, clap for 2, step back, clap for 3, and step back. Here are the points with the toe. 2 toes, grapevine to the right, out behind, out touch, 2 toes, grapevine, and you turn. Now, when you do that grapevine turn, that touch is this little scuff, little scuff, little kick on the side, as that would allow you to start the dance all over again with your walk. Let's try it now with the count. 5, 6, 7, we walk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hips. 5, 6, 7, 8, step touch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, toes. 1, 2, 3, grapevine. 5, 6, 7, and 8, toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, grapevine. 5, 6, 7, and brush. Walk, 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 walk. Start. Now let's talk about the tag. The tag is almost at the end of the dance. It's wall 9. After you're done, you're going to do a tag, which is a 4 count, which is really a step touch, which means you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and the dance starts all over again. So what that means, as you are learning what a tag is, you're going to be doing your grapevine turn. I'm going to do it in this wall, So you're doing the grapevine to your left. So that's out, behind, out, scuff. Instead of starting with the walk, we're going to do a tag, which means you step, touch to the side, step, touch to the side, and then the walk starts all over again. It's tricky, I know, but you'll be better and better every time you do it. And when you're in a big group of amazing people dancing, you will know what to do. So here you go. Have fun, and I hope to see you in the next one.